Hello friends, please enter www.myquiz.org. Then add on, then click on login. You can sign in to MyQuiz by email, password, or by the help of Facebook or Google account. This is a better option. Click on Facebook. Then I have already created college feedback in MyQuiz because I will show you which topic is college feedback. In that I given some input. Today's date, start time is 12:32, automatic start yes, then custom time setting no. Then these are my questions for college feedback. First one is founder president of our college. There are four options. Then second one, our samsa runs various courses. That BPharm course started in, that is the second question. Then third one, another course, that is DPharm course started in, that is the third question. Then next question, how many students enroll in 2019-20? Only BPharm student. Then last question, our BPharm college is affiliated to. These are the basic five questions which the students should know the answer. Then these are the questions. Then next, these are the top players getting highest mark, 15 Sharmu. Then next second one, 8 mark, that is Renu. Then third one, 6 point, that is 6 mark, that is Monica. And fourth one, 5 mark, 5 points, that is Nikita. That is all about the myquiz.org. Then you can download the report in CSV format. For that, you go to Archive tab. Here is I created college feedback on 11 May on 12:31 p.m. Go to quiz report, export to CSV or export to XLS. You have two options. Click on export to CSV. Then one file is downloaded. It is quiz report. You open it. Then you will show these nickname user, fourth user, and their scores. Thank you.